Maybe you're hitting a ceiling in your romantic relationship and you're finding that the quality won't go above a certain point. Number one, sometimes we're upset with what another person did in our relationship, but in reality, we're upset with something in the past that resembled that. So one of the best things you can do is, first off, learn yourself and heal the stuff from your history and your past that's being triggered constantly by this other person just being themselves. Number two, learn how to lovingly assert boundaries and express your wants and needs. Oftentimes we expect the other person in this relationship to just show up perfectly and to know exactly what it is you want and you need. And yeah, people need guidance. And if you're gonna relate with someone, then it asks for a higher level of communication. Find excellence in your communication as you learn to express your wants and needs and your boundaries. Number three, explore how you're unconsciously contributing to this relationship. Sometimes we unconsciously use anger as a tool to get leverage in relationships. Sometimes we unconsciously use the identity and the energy of victimhood to get sympathy in a relationship. And a lot of the time, those types of patterns are unconscious and they negatively impact the quality of that relationship. So do your inner work to find out, what patterns am I running? What energies am I holding on to that are negative, that I'm getting something out of that may be causing this relationship to not come alive in its best version. All in all, the best thing that we can do when it comes to relationship is to do our inner work and to clear out patterns that get in the way of us stepping